Okay, so we're in Kashgar, and we're going to be walking down some of these streets a little bit and giving you an idea. It's evening time. This is going to be video number 4. There's just so much to capture on film, and the lighting is just kind of going down as well a little bit, so it's not quite as hot. So we're going to check that out. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go explore Kashgar at nighttime, in the evening, about 9:30 in the evening. I'll explain that too. Kashgar, Xinjiang. So recently I did a kind of a long video, and actually it could have been like 2 videos, so I'm going to do the second half again. So if you watched the one from about a week ago, it's just because, you know, not everybody watches the whole video, and I think that this is kind of cool because the lighting is just right and kind of exploring the city. It's a really, really cool city. So so let's just get this one up there again. If you did watch the one from a week ago, it's the second half. But I promise in the future they're all fresh and all new. Anyways, just kind of want to get it up there because it's cool city, real cool city. So okay, up on the map, you see exactly where it is, and let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Yeah, it's 9:30 in the evening right now, and the reason it's 9:30 is because China is all in one time zone, and that means that the that means that the sun is up until all of China is in one time zone, but actually, like if we were across the border, I was just over in Uzbekistan just yesterday actually, and over there it's 3 hours earlier, so maybe it gets dark about 8 o'clock there, but here it'll get dark about, I guess, 11, because it's already like 9 something, 9:30 already. But it's gonna be good for filming. So I'll give you an idea of all the different stuff around here. I've been trying to capture Kashgar in a few videos already, and I'm kind of learning more and more each time. So not too long ago we saw some camels, I think. There's a barber shop. And okay, so I think over here I've been seeing people kind of dress up. We're gonna just kind of explore and see what they're all doing here. Oh, okay. So I think what they're doing is they're dressing up, and then they'll get a shot right here. Okay. So I think maybe we'll keep walking around. So I think I've been seeing, that's one of the things I've been seeing. I'm kind of learning as I go. So each video that you see me do of Kashgar, I'm kind of learning something more about everything. And one of them is, I think they can rent these. I think some people are actually legitimately wearing certain ones, and then other ones are renting them. Oh, okay. So I think what they're doing is they're renting. So I think you can rent them out in these shops right here. And that's what we're seeing. I guess that's the traditional Uyghur dress, clothing attire. So it's actually quite a tourist site. And so I think you can rent these spaces out, rent out clothing from these shops. This street right here seems to have a lot of them. And you can see how photogenic all of it is too, right? So you can kind of choose. Wow, look at all the detail. And here's another one, another alley as well. More photographers. Pretty cool. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. So what we're gonna do, the evening is like just about perfect, so we're just gonna try to stroll through and capture it, and I'm gonna have different Kashgar videos. And right now I'm focusing in the old town because it's just so photogenic, and I love how everybody's dressing up and looks so cool. I hear some music, so we're gonna go towards that music and see what that's about. Let's see. Let's see what that is. I don't know if it's recorded music or if there's actually performers. Oh wow. Hello. Oh, it's nice. Very welcoming. I'd like to see, but there's going to be so much everywhere. So, but I like how they were so welcoming. Cause like sometimes you feel like you're kind of obligated, right? But yeah, it's just so photogenic. Let's kind of check out some of the. Yeah, and then all the period pieces too, right? So now that the sun is going down, there's some local kids. If you look at the local kids, you can see that some of them are the ethnic minority, and there's quite a few. This Xinjiang is something like, that looks really cool too. Wow. Amazing. When I was in Uzbekistan and I was in, especially Uzbekistan, I saw a lot of cherry juice. And it was so good. Places to eat right here. We're gonna meander this way. Hello. It's like a bar? A bar? Oh, okay. Coffee. Oh, craft beer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'll come back. So you can get some beer here and hang out. So that might be a good place to go and hang out later. Okay. Some nice windows here. Stores. I like how they got it all set up. Oops, sorry. Oops. Okay. What I probably should do is I should probably edit and cut it out, but I kind of want to capture it as if you're walking it, as if you're here yourself. People playing cards there. Those two girls had kind of a Uyghur look. I'm kind of recognizing that more and more. kind of, there's some, earlier I saw some dance, some lots of interesting stuff. Okay, so I think we're gonna go around the corner. So let me just turn the camera off for a moment, find some action. Okay, so now we got some, let's see, all kinds of stuff in here. Reflection. Pretty cool. It's like all the decor, it's like so elaborate. Yeah, this method of filming is basically so that you can really get an idea what it's like. If I just cut and edit, you won't really know what it's like to walk around these alleys and streets. And I thought I might find something like this, some kind of music. Much detail. So much cool stuff everywhere. So let's go down this way. So we're kind of just out into the middle part. There's actually this stuff we can kind of explore every direction. What I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to come out into the middle. And I don't want to have super long videos. I want to kind of capture different stuff as if you were there yourself. So this is kind of give you an idea of this little 3/4 corner thing. You hear music everywhere. Yeah, check this out. Let's go up there too, so we're gonna see what that's all about. All those birds. It's interesting, this ice cream. Pomegranate. Okay. So I think we're going to end our video right here. Everything is so photogenic. Very cool. Okay, so that's another slice of Kashgar. I'm gonna find some more cool stuff and film. I'll probably do a separate video for it. Got an airplane. Oh, we got fighter jets. Right up there.